I'm Taylor Cresswell, the broker at South State Legacy Realty, and you've tuned into the next Tampa Bay Virtual Real Estate Caravan. You're going to see some great properties from agents all over the Tampa Bay. Should you like any of the listings, have any questions, make sure you reach out to the listing agent because their contact information will be provided. Now let's go see Tampa.
Hey guys, this is Amy Storch with the Storch Group. We're out here at our latest listing at 12942 Utopia Gardens Way, and I just wanted for you to take a look at it real quick, just the front facade. I just want to take you inside so you can check it out. It's a townhouse and we're in the middle of Riverview. Welcome inside. This is going to be the living room, dining room, and kitchen area. Go ahead and check it out.
I'm the listing agent on 5301 North Central Avenue in Seminole Heights. So let's take a look at all this beautiful home has to offer. We've got a beautiful wraparound porch, perfect for rocking chairs, a glider, also a porch swing. 3 lights to keep it illuminated at night. You can have a dinner out here, cocktail, meet your neighbors. Also more space over here. And then a side entrance so you can come right in. Come on in. Once you're inside, you're met with tons of natural light, original coffered ceilings, real wood floors, and the wood-burning fireplace. Tons of square footage. It's 2410 square foot, and we'll check out the master. These are original pocket doors. They do open and close for your privacy. Large master. You could definitely fit a king-size bed in here, and you have 2 separate closets, perfect for his and hers. They both do have closet systems in them. And there is room for a dresser and other furniture. Master bathroom, beautiful cement tile, white backsplash in the shower, beautiful lights, and a lot of space. His and her sinks too. Once you're back in the main living space, you have the open floor plan that everyone loves. Lots of room for a large dining table for all your guests. And then moving into the beautiful top-notch kitchen, you've got quartz countertops, Calcutta marble backsplash, gold hardware and pot filler, stainless steel appliances, recessed lighting, a dishwasher, and also your very own wine refrigerator. Take a look. Moving past the kitchen, you have an indoor mudroom and laundry area with access to the side and back of the home. Again, with the cement tile following through, lots of extra storage. This is a cute little water heater container and the back bedroom, perfect for your guests to have their own privacy. Large bedroom, nice size closet, original windows. And now we move into the 3rd bedroom. This is my favorite room. Custom wallpaper, lots of natural light, and a super cool light fixture too. This is the guest bathroom. Separate double vanities, cement tile. Again, in the white backsplash, modern fixtures, lighting, lots of space. And now we have the loft. Loft is awesome for storage. Also, a lot of people are working from home now and have some kids that need extra places to play. So you've got a great little play area, yoga area, reading nook up here, lots of storage in the little doors. Also, it does have ducting up here. It is part of the 2nd air conditioning system. And then to the other side, we have it set up as an office. You can utilize that for any space you want, including decorations, storage. Just to recap on the house, this house was built in 1905. It is 2,410 square foot, and it is priced at $569,900. Thanks.
Hi everybody, this is Lily with South State Legacy Realty, and I'm here to show you this beautiful condominium on the 3rd floor in the Tampa Bay. Here you go. If you come this way, we can show you the beautiful kitchen that we have. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, with including washer and dryer. Very, very nice. And we also have the suite here, a very spacious closet space. And we have very, very, very spacious bathroom with the tub, which is really nice. And if you come this way, I'm going to show you the other room. This is the 2nd room. It's also suite. You can use it as a master suite. It will fit a king-size bed, and we have also walk-in closet. And we have the bathroom here, also very, very, very big and spacious. And we have a dining area here that's very cute. And I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, you guys can call me at 813-599-5809. My name is Lily Marquez, and I hope you guys have a great day.
Hi, this is David Petroselli with South State Legacy Realty. This is a 4.5 with a 2-car garage. It's 2,350 square feet, selling for $724,850. The house has 10-foot ceilings throughout the house with 15-foot cathedral ceilings in the living room. The wine bar leads into the kitchen with a grand island of 5 by 10 feet with storage all the way around the bottom. The kitchen also boasts upper cabinets of 48 inches, plenty of room for storage. The master bedroom boasts a large walk-in closet with an even larger master bath. The shower has 3 heads that includes a 16-inch rain shower from above. The 2 bedrooms, which can be used for kids, are conjoined with a Jack and Jill bath in the middle with 2 sinks. The flooring in the house is luxury vinyl tile that is laid throughout. The guest bedroom has its own ensuite bath, perfect for your guests. The living room boasts 15-foot cathedral ceilings with 2 oversized fans to move air throughout. The free-floating fireplace has an area above it to mount a 90-inch TV. If you're interested in a private showing, contact myself at 813-629-1358. We'll be more than happy to show you this house at 6350 8th Avenue South, Gulfport, Florida.
Hi everybody, welcome to my broker Caravan. Today I'm stepping off the elevator at my gorgeous listing at the garage in Bayshore. This is the view as soon as you get off the elevator. You get a private foyer. This unit is 3,302 square feet. It's actually 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and 1 half bath. Gorgeous gourmet kitchen. Walking into the master bedroom. This is amazing. There's 728 square feet of terrace space. You have a beautiful master bath, dual vanities. I'm going to walk you through here real quick. You have a nice big closet, his and hers. Amazing space in here, or I guess it could just be hers and hers. There's tons of space though. The home has motorized shades throughout. The owner spent $50,000 on blackout shades for the bedrooms and sheer shades throughout the rest of the home. There's a den over here. We currently have it staged as a den. Could also be a bar, which is what the original owner was planning to do with this space. Really fabulous. Again, you have additional terrace space here. The kitchen's amazing. We have a warming jar here. We're actually serving Mike's pies today. Amazing. There's Steven right there. Sub-Zero and Wolf Appliances. I'll take you through here real quick so that you can see there's a powder bath here. And then 2 more bedrooms, both of which are en suites. Here's what the showers look like. You've got to come. We're going to be here today from 11 to 1:30. And if you'd like to schedule a private tour, please give me a call, 813-394-7049. Again, it's Carla Dorsey with Keller Williams, and we're at the garage on the Bayshore. This is the former site of the Colonnade restaurant, so I know there's a lot of nostalgia there. Thanks for watching.
And now a word from our sponsors.
Hi, my name is Amanda Majette, Tampa-based loan originator with Open Mortgage. Adding value to my realtor partners' business through open communication and personalized service is the cornerstone of my business. I specialize in loan types ranging from first-time home buyers all the way to multifamily investment properties and everything in between. So give me a call if there's anything I can ever do for you.
Hello, Brandon Call here with Punch List USA based in the Tampa Bay market. We are a real estate repair company that specializes in repairs that come up at the home inspection. Punch List saves thousands of deals across the country by working with real estate agents and their inspection partners to provide clear and accurate estimates in a timely fashion so that agents and their clients can navigate the rest of the inspection period and get to the closing table.
Hi, my name is Monica.Montiel and I am with Assured Partners. Assured Partners is a property and casualty insurance agency, and we specialize in homeowners and auto insurance throughout the entire state of Florida. We work with over 40 different carriers so we can shop you around and help you find the lowest rates and the best coverages. Give me a call or shoot me an email for a quote today. Thank you.
I wanted to give a big shout out today to those on the front line bringing back the roaring U.S. economy. Yes, that is real estate. The real estate industry, the real estate agents, the mortgage lenders, the title agents are truly the bright spark in the economy and are going to bring us back roaring ahead. We have high expectations for the real estate market here in the Tampa Bay area. We are committed more than ever to making sure that you have a true partnership that has an investment in your growth.